10 acids, bases and solves. Small diamond. Top 20 MCQs with year, board pattern based. 1. Small diamond. Top 20 MCQs with year, board pattern based. 1. Which of the following is a strong acid? A. HCl. B. CH2C, HCO-D, HS. ICSE questions in 2019. Answer A. 2. Which base is used in making soap? A. No. B. Co-C, both A and BD, NHO. Answer C. ICSE questions in 2020. 3. Which acid is present in vinegar? A. Citric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Lactic acid. D. HCl. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2022. 4. pH less than 7 indicates A. A. Base. B. Acid. C. Salt. D. Neutral. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2018. 5. Litmus solution turns red in A. Base. B. Salt. C. Neutral. D. Acid. Answer D. ICSE questions in 2017. 6. Which of these is used as an antacid? A. Nacl. B. Mg. O. C. NaCO. D. HSO. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2020. 7. Which salt is obtained by neutralizing hydrochloric acid with NO? A. Nacl. B. NaSO. C. NaCO. D. KCl. Answer A. ICSE questions in 2021. 8. Phenolphthalein in base turns A. Red. B. Pink. C. Yellow. D. Colorless. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2023. 9. Which gas is evolved when acids react with metals? A. O. B. HC. COD. N. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2022. 10. The salt of a weak acid and strong base will be A. Acidic. B. Basic. C. Neutral. D. Salt. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2019. 11. What is the pH of a neutral solution? A. 0. B. 7. C. 14. D. 3. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2018. 12. Common salt is obtained by A. Precipitation. B. Evaporation. C. Distillation. D. None. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2017-13. Which of the following is used in baking powder? A. NaCO. B. NaCO. C. NHCl. D. No. Answer A. ICSE questions in 2021. 14. The color of methyl orange in acid is A. Yellow. B. Red. C. Pink. D. Orange. Answer B. ICSE questions in 2022. 15. The formula